Hi everyone, Elliot Chun here at Future Shop's National Training Event, looking at some beautiful, beautiful ranges here by KitchenAid. These are gas, and they look like they came out of Chef Gordon Ramsay's kitchen line. Just simply beautiful, something new coming to Future Shop. My friend David Lamb here from KitchenAid is with me. How are you, David? So good to see you again.
Good. Yeah.
Excellent. So what do we got here?
Well, we have four ranges here. So the first two that we have here is a 36-inch non-steam oven. And
non-steam.
Non-steam, and these two is 30 and 36-inch steam oven.
What's the difference?
Well, what it is this is the latest in cooking. In the past, convection, we talk about convection cooking, give you the better flavor, taste, cook faster, 25 to 30% faster. Now we're introducing convection with steam. Well, let's take a look at the top here. Like Elliot was mentioning to you about this is a little more looks of a commercial cooking. A lot of times when it comes to cooking with gas, a lot of consumer looks for high BTU. Well, we're offering you 20,000 BTU. So not only you have a high power burner, but you also have what we call simmer. So on the little guys back here, there are 5,000 BTUs. You can bring it right down to 500. So give you a true simmer. So in a gas range, unheard of, that give you power burners, but simmer. We offer both for you. Take a look at this. On the control is a LCD control. It's a touch screen. And you notice that it's a steam cook. So I collect the steam cook. I cook auto steam. It gives you 7 options. So for example, if I was going to cook meat in steam, I select that and automatically it'll give you the brownness of the cooking of the food itself. What it does is in the oven, inside it actually have a boiler built in the back of it, right? A little hot water boiler in it. And what it does, you put your food inside of it. What it does, it actually injects steam inside the oven cavity. What it does is it keeps the moisture with the steam, keep it nice and moist.
No more dry chicken.
You betcha. So for example, like a customer would like to put a lot of herbs on top of, like rosemary for example, on top of a roast for example. Typically on a regular range, a non-steam range, your herbs dries out, right? You're not gonna get that herb flavor into your roast. In a steam, what it does is keep it nice and moist, your rosemary. Now you get that food transfer, that rosemary into your roast. Give you better flavoring of your food itself. That's cooking with steam. Most restaurants, they use that type of technology, steam cooking in a commercial application in a restaurant. Now you have it in home.
That's amazing. And let's talk about availability at Future Shop. So we're rolling these out at Future Shop stores, and any idea on timeline?
On these ones that we're hitting trying to summertime. So on the selective stores in the Future Shop, you will see this hitting in the summertime.
Amazing. You heard it here first at Future Shop at our national training event with my man, David Lamb. Thanks again for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you, Elliot.